Can Linux CLI handle special character file names? Have you ever wondered if the Linux command line interface can manage file names that include special characters? This is a common question for users who want to navigate their files effectively. Let's break it down. The Linux command line interface can indeed handle file names with special characters, but there are some important things to keep in mind. Many characters, such as spaces and symbols like @, $, and %, are allowed in Linux file names. However, some of these characters have specific meanings in the shell environment, which can complicate things when you try to work with them directly. One of the simplest techniques to manage special character file names is escaping. By placing a / before the special character, you tell the shell to treat it as a regular character. For example, if you have a file named myfile.txt, you would access it by typing my+file.txt. This method is straightforward and effective. Another useful approach is quoting. You can enclose the entire file name in single or double quotes. This way, the shell interprets the whole string as a single argument. For instance, if you want to remove a file named file name txt, you would use rm file name txt. This prevents the shell from misinterpreting the semicolon as a command separator. Additionally, the tab completion feature in the shell can be a real time saver. By simply pressing the tab key while typing a file name, the shell can autocomplete it for you. This reduces the chances of errors and eliminates the need to manually escape characters. If you find that certain file names are too complex to manage, renaming them can be a good solution. You can use the move command to rename files to simpler names, making them easier to work with. For users who need to handle multiple files at once, scripting can be a great help. You can create shell scripts that automate the process of managing file names with special characters. For example, you could write a script that replaces spaces with underscores across many file names, streamlining your workflow. Some characters, such as semicolons, $, and backslashes, requiring extra caution. These characters have specific functions in the shell, so you need to handle them carefully. For example, to remove a file that starts with a dash, you would use rm filename to avoid confusion with command options. In the context of Linux distributions, the flexibility in handling file names allows users to work with a wide variety of naming conventions. While other operating systems may restrict certain characters, Linux provides more freedom, but this also means you need to be aware of shell syntax to avoid mistakes. Understanding these techniques is essential for effective file management in Linux. Whether you are dealing with files from other systems or those generated by different applications, knowing how to handle special character file names will make your experience smoother. This capability reflects the powerful and flexible nature of Linux command line tools, allowing users to tackle complex tasks with the right knowledge.